O&D Young Science teacher, Mr. Jeff Rube, has incorporated drone technology into his classes and is serving as an advisor for the district's new drone club. The club is the first drone racing team in the Morrick region, and they compete as the ODY Aerocats.
One way I've been improving my skills by is a simulator to help me control and focus just on the drone.
Things I've learned about engineering and technology from drone racing is like how you can fix the propellers if they get broken, or how to fix the drone if part of it gets cracked.
I've been working, it's helped me with working on my fine motor skills.
One of the things that have impacted me were like stuff like making new friends.
I do see myself relating drones to technology and agriculture with spraying the fields and fertilizing them and stuff like that. In the agriculture machinery, driving through, compacting the soil, hitting spots but don't have weeds with spray, so it's wasting money. With a drone, you can just spot spray some areas and it'd be much more efficient.
So my advice to schools starting drone programs is to have the kids start out a lot slower than they would normally start out, and then get them to start progress a lot more faster than they would.
Once you get a little bit more comfortable with that, start going back and forth in some areas, do some circles, and then start doing laps around classrooms or start racing up and down hallways or something like that.
My future aspirations in racing drones are probably to get better in racing, and I want to probably take on a career in racing drones.
The hands-on learning with these drones is giving students experience with technology, troubleshooting, problem solving, making hands-on repairs, and inspiring some of the students to pursue careers in drone technology, including the agricultural applications that could reduce the amount of pesticide use on local crops.